Yes, good morning children, class 12. Now our last topic for Python PyPlot is histogram. Okay. Now in this chapter we will learn another type of graph. One is, first we have learned line graph, second we have learned the bar graph, and third one is your histogram, right? So what do you mean by histogram? Histogram, it is a summarization tool for discrete or continuous data. Just for example, we are having a graph, as you people are doing the questions in economics. In maths also we have done in mean, median, mode form. In that, there we have to give the range from 10 to 20, 20 to 30, or 15 to 25, 25 to 35. That continuous data is being done in histogram. Okay. A histogram provides a visual interpretation of numerical data by showing the number of data points that fall within a specified range called bins. That is called bins. Bins means histogram provides a visual interpretation of visual interpretation means through graph. Okay, the axis, the x-axis, what are the values in the x-axis that are known as bins. Okay. So next one is a histogram, unlike a vertical bar graph, shows no gaps between the bars. In a bar graph, we have plotted the graph. In that, when bars are there, a gap was seen. Okay, in histogram there will be no gap between them. Let us see. In histogram, the parameters are bins, which is automatically provided internally. Okay. Next one, hist type. It has the type of histogram to draw. Which type of histogram? There is only one type we have to learn, so I will explain that only. Right. Bar is traditional bar type histogram. If multiple data are given, the bars are arranged side by side. Okay, let us see through example we can easily understand. Bar side by side means there will be no gap. This is your program. Import numpy as numpy, import matplotlib pyplot as plt. Okay, now this is your data 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. plt.hist, the range it is telling. Okay, 15, 5, 15, 25, 35, 15, 55. Right, then bins. This is the left side, and this is y-axis, and this is your x-axis. And edge color is red. By default, the color of the histogram is blue. Okay, then plt dot show. Weights is let's see the weights 20, 10, 45, 33. Let us see. 20, 10, 45, 33. So this is the graph you received from while doing the program. If when you write the program, you will be getting this graph output, right? Another question, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Age is here, years is here. So bin will be your years. Years means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And your hist type is bar. And the histogram will be between age and years. X-axis you will be having bins, and y-axis you will be having age. X label employee age, number of EMP, plt.title, SSV, legend, plt show. Now see, let us see what will be the output. See here, EMP age, number of employees, title we have given SSV, right? Next program, import numpy as numpy, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, data 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, plt.hist. This is your range, bins, and weight. This is the value. Okay, edge color is red, and hist type equals to step. PLT dot X label value, Y label probability, title histogram, PLT dot show. Step, no color will be seen to you. Okay, so this is your histogram. Thank you. Yes children, this is the program which I have written in the script mode in Python. Now we will run the program. See. Okay, the first question it was. Now let us open the second question. This is your second question. We will run the program. See, got it? And now we will run the third program. Okay, now run this program. Okay, so these are the questions we have done for the histogram.